Hey crafting buddies, welcome to my corner of the internet. I'm Lady Lynn, aka the Headband Master, and I've got a great one for you today. So grab your coffee, grab your scissors, and let's get crafting. Alright, our ribbon is going to be 5/8 inch in width, or 1.5 centimeters. And our headband is going to be 1/2 inch, or around 13 millimeters in width.
Hold up. Before we go on, you know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. And if you did so, thanks. You guys are awesome.
Alright, so we're going to measure the length of our ribbon at 2 times the length of our headband. And then we're just going to add a little bit more just to make sure that we have enough. And we're going to cut 2 of those. So just measure your second piece of ribbon by comparing it to your first piece and make sure those are even. Then line up the ends, and we're going to melt those together with our lighter. And now we're going to put it over the end of our headband at about a 30-degree angle. And then we are going to glue this on with some hot glue. Take your hot glue, put some on the front part, and stick the front ribbon to that glue. And then you're going to turn it over, and you're going to do the same exact thing to the back. Just put some hot glue on the end there, and put the ribbon over the hot glue. That'll hold it for us while we wrap our headband. Take the front ribbon, and we're going to wrap it around the back underneath the back ribbon. Then we're going to take the right side back ribbon, wrap it around the front over to the left to line up with the other ribbon. Now we're going to take that same ribbon, wrap it around the back underneath the other ribbon, and then take the left one and wrap it over top. And then we're going to repeat all of those steps over and over. So just make sure every time you wrap your ribbon over the top that you also wrap it around the back underneath the other ribbon. And keep doing that all the way until you get to the other end, and then I will show you how to finish the headband off. Okay, once you're at the other side, you're going to continue to wrap it the same way until you get to where it basically will not wrap anymore because it is all the way at the end. What you want to do is just make sure that last piece fully covers the other end of that. You may have to kind of mess with it a little bit there to make sure that it stays in place. Then just hold it and go ahead and hot glue on the back, and then also on the front, on the very end there, to make sure that the ribbon stays in place on that end of the headband. And now what we're going to do is just cut the ribbon very carefully around that rounded edge, and then we're going to take our lighter and we're going to seal those ends while also tapping them together so that they seal to each other and make kind of a sleeve over the end of that headband. And you can continue to melt it and kind of push it in a little bit until any of those sticking out edges are kind of nice and flush up against the headband. And then you're just going to do the exact same thing on the other end of the headband. And that's it. We are completely done with our headband, and you can make them in all different colors and have fun with it. Thanks for watching the HBM channel with Lady Lynn. Subscribe now, like this video, and leave a comment for a chance to win a ribbon grab bag. Then check hairbowmaster.com where I announce the weekly winners. Take care and have a wonderful day.